Hello, traders. This is Ad Zeros, and hope you're doing well. Yeah, it has been a long time. After that, I'm putting a recap, and moving forward, I wanted to be more active. I'm start putting more recaps, and also we're going to soon start our morning pre-market trading show. So now let's quickly go. Some of the trades that I had. I have an awesome, nine risk unit day. I have a fabulous, some good trades, and let me share you what overall my view about the SPY and Nasdaq initially when a day started, and what are the trades I have taken. So if you look at it, SPY, let's go with the SPY first, and you will see. So when the day came in, I came in the morning, and what I noticed about it is that SPY was a very strong uh, on a daily. It claimed the 21 moving averages and also and the Nasdaq too. If you look at the Nasdaq, both of them. So my view was that bulls are not going to lose this 21 moving averages so easily, but it has to go and retest first. That was my plan. And if you look at the 30 minutes bar, you will able to see that if you here look at it in the pre-market. It started with the gap up and slowly it coming down in the pre-market. There was no new buying happen on the pre-market. So that gave me the indication that there might be a chance this is going to close the gap, whatever it is, or maybe going to go and retest this daily 21 moving average and also the yesterday or the Friday support on the S&P. So that was my plan. With that, when I noticed first 5 minutes, if you go now the 5 minutes, the market open, and I see that it starts selling off. At the same time, when it's selling off, I was looking at the Tesla. So now see here, I'm gonna show you the Tesla. 1 minute. So I had a three awesome trades in Tesla. So let me give you the first one. Okay. So now, if you look at the Tesla, the first minute, a strong bar with over 400, and I was saying that this might be a trap for people who thinking it's gonna gap and go and it's gonna move up. And I shot it here around 450 with the stop loss over 453. So 3 point stop loss I had. And if I give a room for a spike, I might give a room for 755, but not more than that. And I got the big push down. I partialed here, then I added into it. I see I'm making a bear flag, a three bars play, big bear, red, green pullback, and then I added into it and I partialed all the way. I was thinking it's gonna making another bear flag, so I added into it, but then pull back up and I closed it. So this is, if I say here, this is my first trade. Uh, so this is my first trade. Then, then when I was looking at it, S&P at the time, S&P is also reached close to the moving average support. So if you look at it here, SPY was, let me look at the 5 minutes so you can quickly look at it. See here, so it's making a new, it's close to the support here, and that was I have marked here, touch the supports, and I was thinking, okay, is extreme sell-off, push the support, buyers will come in and buy. And that was the time when I joined a Tesla for the long. Now, if you look at it here, Tesla, and let me go to 5 minutes and 1 minute, you will see here. So on this 1 minute, if you see here, uh, I went long. This is second trade. So I went long here around when the break of the previous close, which is 737, with the risk of not more than this moving average break, which is 3 points. When I saw is break that, I added into it because it was a small position. I added and I took the profit on the VWAP. I added into my position. I thought it's gonna make another flag and go more for the V-shaped recovery, but not that it's gonna close. It came back down and I stopped out here. And then after a while, I just consolidated here, and then I noticed again on the close of the yesterday close, it is making a consolidation here. I went long on the break with a small size over 740. When it came back down, I added into my position again with the risk of again 735, the break of this. Move back up. I added more into it, partial, partial, and then again, it came back, consolidated under the VWAV. I added into my position and I took the partial, partial, and this is the where I pushed the last entry. And after I stopped out, it has a one more push up over 749, and then it's just, I think it's just collapsed. I think it didn't go back up after that. Yeah, so I was right. Other trade I had other than the Tesla is a coin. So coin was gapping down over 4%, and I was expecting the market going to make an initial move low. So what I did when I saw that it's breaking down on the 1 minute with the 50-cent risk, I short it here. I partial when I had a big leg down and took another partial, partial, and then the partial as well. So I didn't add it into a trade, but I did that. I have a one losing trade today. I mean, I didn't like that much, but it was when market was again moving back up. Baba was very strong holding that, so I was thinking it's gonna break the 121. So I went very small size, maybe one. In fact, the half of my wrist unit. But when I moment, I see that it's just doing too volatile move, not doing anything what I expected. I removed my 75% of the position, and when it broke the VWAV, I closed out because I didn't like it the way the Baba was behaving. So yeah, so in overall, I had a beautiful 9 risk unit day. I have a couple of three nice good trades in Tesla, one good in coin, and then on the Baba, I stopped out. So I'm really happy with the performance. It's a nice opening week. Feel free to leave your comments, and if you have not yet subscribed, please do subscribe to my channel. Let me know what else you want to see. I'm going to be more active, as mentioned in a couple of my Facebook and in the tweets that I'm going to start the full-time trading now. So I'm not have any day job, so I'm going to be more active, and I'm going to make a more recaps. And I have a vacation due in the beginning of the July. So once I come back from the vacation, then I will start morning pre-market routine as well as a daily recap. So if you like it, I will really excited about it, and I'm really gonna be happy if you do subscribe. And I see, and if you have any questions, feel free to give me, put your questions on the comment box. Thank you.